迎光临麦当劳，您要什么？我要2个巨无霸和1杯可乐，带走。What did the customer order? The best answer is C. Hamburgers and Coke.
Mark, where should we have dinner? How about McDonald's? 我不去麦当劳，我减肥。Which of the following statements is true, according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Mark won't eat at McDonald's. 你好，欢迎光临麦当劳。你好。What would he most likely say next? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. 你好，欢迎光临麦当劳。你好，我要1个芝士汉堡和薯条。Mark, let's go to McDonald's for lunch, alright? 好，我想吃薯条和芝士汉堡。你呢 Ted? 我想吃巨无霸。What will Ted most likely order in McDonald's? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is C. A Big Mac. 你好，欢迎光临麦当劳。您要什么？你好，我要薯条和1杯可乐。您要汉堡吗？不要，谢谢。What did the customer order? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Fries and a cup of Coke.